Trucking companies for new drivers. Listen, if you just got your CDL or your Class B, Class A, and you're fresh out of school, I already know what you're thinking. You want to make some money, right? You want to make six figures. You want to get close to six figures. Why? Because you want to change your life. You want to buy a house. You want to buy a nice car. You want to be more desirable on the dating market, right? There's so many reasons why we get up every day. We lace up them boots. We fill our cup of coffee and we get after it. And today's the video.